storm? Yeah, it might
What's
be.
the storm called?
It doesn't have a name. It's just a storm.
No, like you call like something.
A cell.
What's a cell?
A cell is a very strong isolated storm.
It looks like it's coming our way.
Oh, what does the radar say? Whoa, that was closer.
That was what?
Yeah, that was a little bit closer.
That was a little closer too. I'm just gonna go outside because the lightning is
Man, some deep, deep looking rain right there, man.
Dad,
Yeah, we might catch an edge of this.
we might catch an edge of that.
Yeah, maybe. I can see, yeah, you can see some dark green, blue, some greenish blue. It's beautiful.
Look, that's coming our way. That's coming our way. See that?
Well, it depends. It might slide.
No, look, it's coming.
Yeah? It's filling up more of the sky, I'll tell you that much. Beautiful. What does the radar say?
It's coming. That's what it says. And it's red.
That's red
coming.
already.
You know it. Dad, get back here.
Hang on, man. This is the fun part.
No, get back here.
Alex, stop. No, it's not even raining
That's a
yet.
tornado.
Yeah, I don't see a tornado, but I see some beautiful looking ominous clouds. Boom, boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom, ba boom. Ooh, that was nice. That was beautiful. Wow.
It's still coming our way.
Yeah. It's almost time to go in.
Okay, you want to go in?
Not yet.
Dad, I'm closing the door, okay?
Okay, I'll be in 1 second.